Good morning, children. In the previous class, what we learned, children? We learned about the divisibility rules. Okay. So, what are the divisibility rules we learned? Divisibility by 2. First one is divisibility by 2. So, what is the divisibility by 2 rule? The number is divisible by 2 if the ones place have 0. What are the places in the ones place? 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Or in the ones place, that number is divisible by 2. That is the rule. Okay. Next, divisibility by 3. What is this one? This rule, divisibility by 3. Sum of the digits. Sum of the digits is a multiple of 3. Then that number is divisible by 3. Okay, sum of the digits. And next, another one, divisibility by 6. Divisibility by 6, what is the rule? The number is divisible by both 2 and 3. The number is divisible by both 2 and 3. Then that number is divisible by 6. Okay. So, divisible by both 2 and 3. Then that number is divisible by 6. If the number is divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3, then that number is not divisible by 6. Okay, children. Next one. Divisibility by 9. What is the divisibility by 9 rule, children? Same as 3. Sum of the digits. Sum of digits is a multiple of 9, then that number is divisible by 9. Okay. Next, divisibility by 5. Divisibility 5. The number is divisible by 5 if the ones place is 0 or 5. Okay. Ones place 0 or 5 in ones place. Then that number is divisible by 5. Next, divisibility by 10. Divisibility by 10. What is it? The number is divisible by 10 if the ones place has 0. Okay. So 0 in ones place. Then that number is divisible by 10. Okay. Next one. Divisibility by 4. Divisibility by 4. What is the rule? If the 3 or more digits, you have to first observe last 2 digits. That means 1's place, 10's place. Then the last 2 digits is divisible by 4. Then the whole number is divisible by 4. Okay. Then the 2 numbers are divisible by 4, or it may be that last 2 digits will be zeros, means then that number is divisible by 4. Okay. Last 2 digits. Last 2 digits is divisible by 4, then that number is divisible by 4. Or last 2 digits are zeros. Last 2 digits are zeros also, it is divisible by 4. That are the rules we learned, okay, in the previous classes. Next one is divisibility by 8. Divisibility by 8. Open your CWs, write divisibility by 8. Divisibility by 8. Divisibility by 8. So what is the divisibility by 8 rule, children? A number with 4 or more digits. A number with 4 or more digits is divisible by 8. Is divisible by 8 if the number formed if the number formed by the last three digits. If the number formed by the last three digits. By the last three digits is divisible by 8, or also zeros on three places, or also zeros on three places. Same as it is divisibility by 4. In the divisibility by 4, we are observe last two digits, but here divisibility by 8, you have to observe last three digits. The last three digits is divisible by 8, then the whole number is divisible by 8. Or the last three digits having zeros, then that number is divisible by 8. Okay, children? Example. $9,216 you have to take. Here how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits. So you have to take last 3 digits. What are the last 3 digits? 216. Is divisible by 8. You have to do actual division. 8 to 16. 5 is remaining. Bring down 6. 8, 7, 56. Yes, it is divisible by 8. So, this whole number is divisible by 8. Okay, children? Like that you have to check it. If the last 3 digits are 216. The last 3 digits are 216. So 216 is divisible by 8. Therefore, 9,216 is divisible by 8. Okay, children? Right. Now see the children, exercise 3.1, first question. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 2, by 3 and by 6? Here some numbers are given which are divisible by 2 and which are divisible by 3 and which are divisible by 6. You have to find it by using rules, children. Okay. Exercise 3.1, first question. What is the first number? 2, 3, 7, 1, 9, 2. So first number is divisible by 2 or not, children? So what is the given number? Given 2, 3, 7, 1, 9, 2. 2,37,192 given. Now, is it divisible by 2 or not, children? Yes. Why? Because the 1 plus has 2. So 2 is divisible by 2. So therefore this number is divisible by 2. Okay. So 2,37,192 is divisible by 2. Okay, next. It is divisible by 3 or not? How to check? Sum of the digits. Okay, now sum of the digits. Sum of the digits is equal to what is that number? Do 2 plus 3 plus 7 plus 1 plus 9 plus 2. Add all the numbers. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 11, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 13 plus 9, 22. 22 plus 2. How much? 24. 24. Now again add this 2. 2 plus 4. How much? 6. 6 is a multiple of 3 or not? Yes, 6 is a multiple of 3. 3 to 6. Okay, it is a multiple of 3. Is a multiple of 3. So therefore, 2,37,192 is divisible by 3. Okay, children. Next, it is divisible by 6. Yes. Why? Because it is divisible by 2. It is divisible by 3. So therefore, this number is divisible by 6. That is the rule only now. What is the rule for divisibility by 6? Yes. The number is divisible by both 2 and 3. Then that number is divisible by 6. Therefore, 2,37,192 is divisible by 6 because the number is divisible by both 2 and 3. Okay, children, that's the reason. Right. Here you have to write the reason also because in the ones place is 2. Okay, children, did you understand this stuff? Like that you can do second term, third term you can do homework, and fifth term also you can do homework. Fourth term I will tell. Okay? Now write fourth term. So what is the number given? Fourth one? 1790184. What is the given number? Given 1790184. That means 17,90,184. Is it divisible by 2? First, what is the rule for divisibility by 2? You have to check the ones place. What is the ones place here? 4. 4 is divisible by 2? Yes. So therefore, 17,90,184 is divisible by 2 because in the ones place is 4. Because in the ones place is 4, so that's why the number is divisible by 2. Next, sum of the digits. Sum of the digits. Sum of the digits, we have to add all the digits, children. 1 plus 7 plus 9 plus 0 plus 1 plus 8 plus 4. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 0, 17. 17 plus 1, 18. 18 plus 8, 26. 26 plus 4, 30. 26 plus 4, 30. So 30, how can you write? 3 plus 0. What is the answer? 3. 3 is a multiple of 3? Yes. Is a multiple of 3. 3 ones 3 no. So it is a multiple of 3. So therefore 17,90,184 is divisible by 3. Okay. Next. So here it is divisible by 2, it is divisible by 3. So now it is divisible by 6. So therefore 17,90,184 is divisible by 6 because the number is divisible by both 2 and 3. Okay, ma'am? Right.